Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of OKX, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the market. If you're looking to get started with crypto trading, don't forget to use our OKX referral code 673744754 to get some exciting bonuses. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about OKX itself. Founded in 2017, OKX has quickly grown to become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, OKX offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. OKX operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Now let's dive into the features and services that OKX offers. OKX supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving traders plenty of options. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the latest altcoins, OKX has got you covered. Some standout features include advanced trading tools like spot trading, derivatives, margin trading, and P2P trading. OKX Earn lets users stake their coins and earn interest, while the OKX Launchpad provides early access to promising new projects. Security is a top priority for OKX. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. OKX also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. Let's talk about trading fees. OKX offers competitive fees, starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. This makes OKX an attractive option for both small and large traders. Compared to other major exchanges, OKX fees are very competitive. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, which is great for maximizing your returns. The user interface on OKX is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and OKX doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, OKX has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Let's not forget the OKX Referral Program. By using our referral code 673744754, you can earn bonuses and enjoy reduced trading fees. It's a great way to get started and take advantage of some extra perks. Referral programs like this one are a fantastic way to benefit even more from your trading activities. Don't miss out on these rewards. OKX is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that OKX remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using OKX? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first. and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making OKX a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, OKX is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, OKX has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our OKX referral code 6737474 when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used OKX and what your experience has been. Happy trading with OKX. Until next time, happy trading with OKX, and don't forget to use the referral code 6737474